Hey sixth graders, you are watching this video because you are trying to figure out how to do some different things. So you should be down here in this how-to folder, and we are going to look at navigating our weekly folder. So that's what we are in right now. So if you noticed, our top folder, like always, is gray. Our unit folder, so the things that we have been working on for the past few weeks, is now in that whitest gray color. So that's everything that we have done in the past that you should be done with, but if you still have things you need to complete, you can still go in that folder and complete them. And then that resource folder is still there and will always be there. And then here's our how-to folder. So when you get into our folder for this week, the one that is always on top there, you will see that in the top there's the agenda, there's our stuff for Monday, and there's our items for Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday, and then these are our notes that we're going to use this week, so this is something that you're going to use on both days. So there might be weeks where you see something outside the folder, and that means that you're going to use it on Monday and Tuesday, so we just put it in outside the folder. So if you click right in that folder, you will see here is our agenda, and it looks a little bit different, and there will be another video on how to look at the agenda. And then Monday, and inside the Monday folder is a question of the day, the items that we will complete on Monday, and then the exit slip. And then there's Tuesday, and again, you have the question of the day, the items that we will complete, and an exit slip. And then, like I said, there's that item that's outside the folder. It says do not submit until given direction. That means that you should not hit submit until the teacher tells you to, because we're going to work with it on both days. If you have any questions about this, you can always come up to the top and hit this little envelope here so that you can send a message and ask your teacher. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.